This is looking south on 231 at Jasmine Hill Road. And boy, did we have some nasty weather the other night, early Wednesday morning. Had I think it was an EF2 tornado come through this area. There we are going up Jasmine Hill Road, and that is the Willow Springs Road that branches off to the right. And this is going to be a rather lengthy video with not as much commentary, but you'll be able to see the kind of damage that went on in that particular area. I shot it from several different angles, so you'll get a better idea of the damage. The guy pulling that truck there with that bobcat on the back of it there, right turning on Willow Springs Road, he had stopped and asked me if he could help in any way with the cleanup. So he was just a volunteer coming up there to try to help out. And there are tons of volunteers up there. The community that comes together. Redland. That's looking up Willow Springs Road towards Redland Road. And I sort of bounce around a little bit so you get a pretty good idea of the damage. A lot of trees, a lot of roofs. That's Jasmine Hill Road headed towards 231. And there you get a closer look of the damage right there on this particular piece of property. A lot of volunteers down there, a lot of power company folks. Again, that's Jasmine Hill Road. And you get an idea of the damage they did to the trees as well. This is over adjacent to that area, and those two structures right there are damaged pretty heavily, but you really can't tell it from up in the air, but this is from down on the ground. I got some photos with my cell phone. And there you have them down in the lower right hand corner. Those are the same buildings. You really can't see the damage, but it's there. This is on Oak Hollow Lane. Again, that's going up Jasmine Hill Road to Willow Springs. See the damage, all the trees down there in that grove of trees in the lower left. And on up Jasmine Hill Road, the trees are gone right there. Get a completely different perspective from up in the air like this. The road in the distance there in the very upper part of the picture is Redland Road. And now we're coming around to where you see 231 in the upper right. And of course that's the intersection right there of Willow Springs and Jasmine Hill. I'll zoom in a little bit. Those school buses there, I believe I saw a post on Facebook that they were from the Wetumpka High School and Stanhope Elmore High Schools. The football teams were out there helping with some of the cleanup today. and you'll probably see them in the pictures later on down as I go down Willow Springs Road. Little broader view there with 231 in the upper center part of the video. Looking south. There's a whole lot more damage than you can see in this video. I mean, because when you get down on the ground, it's just massive. I think that's a staging area right there for a lot of folks. Or that could be some of the football teams that's helping out with the cleanup. There's some more. A lot of folks out there helping with the cleanup. I didn't take any. I didn't take out any of the little mistakes I made in shooting the video. I just wanted to keep it consecutive. There, I'm headed back over toward the junction of Willow Springs and Jasmine Hill. I'll make another pass down through Willow Springs in a little bit. Those are those big cotton fields that you see off Redland Road. That is a private road called Oak Hollow Road. At least that's how it's marked. That's Redland Road in the upper center of the video. And there are those structures that were damaged as I showed you earlier. I really can't see the damage from here, but it's a lot of damage. Then we're back to Willow Springs and Jasmine Hill. And there we go. I'm going to go back down Willow Springs. To the power companies down there. A lot of volunteers helping with the cleanup. A lot of roof damage, a lot of structure damage. I shot this Thursday morning around 10 o'clock in that time frame. And I think that's about as far as you can get on Willow Springs if you're coming in off of Redland Road. I didn't try to go that way. I figured it would be futile to try. A lot of debris. Again, that's Willow Springs Road near Jasmine Hill Road. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.